The NCBI Conserved Domain Database, CDD, is a cornerstone for parasite genome-wide analysis because it allows researchers to move beyond simple sequence matching and into functional discovery, particularly for highly divergent, dark matter proteins unique to parasites. By mapping unknown protein sequences to curated domain models, scientists can identify critical functional sites, such as the active pockets of enzymes or binding domains for host-pathogen interactions, which are prime targets for drug and vaccine development. Furthermore, the CDD's hierarchical classification helps trace the evolutionary specialization of parasite-specific protein families, while its high-throughput tools like batch CD search enable the rapid annotation of entire proteomes. This deep functional insight is essential for understanding how parasites manipulate host immune systems and adapt to survive within different biological environments.